Hello, everybody, and welcome to the Coaa Anvil 250 at Indianapolis. As we're about to get ready to go racing for the start of the ASC 500 weekend, the biggest race in MLRS history.
For today's race,
MLRS, as Dre gets the
about to give the
pole.
command to get underway.
Jeff Gordon, Joshua Racing League, Brian Biliano,
The Grand Marshal
Spongy,
for
your top
today's
five.
race is about to give the command to get
Jamarcus,
underway.
our last race winner, is 8th. And running up the top 20 will be Ally Racer. As the Anvil 250 is going to start about now. As is half distance of the Cup race here. Jeff Gordon, I think Jeff Gordon on points leader, not the actual Jeff Gordon. This is just like an account, just clarifying that in case you didn't know, in case you're a little not wittiest, but yeah, not the smartest. Anyway, here we go. The starts the final, I think, 4 races of the COAA season. No, the final. Yeah. Green flag. We're racing at Indy. That's not the final 4 races. This is 6 races. 6 races left. Race 15 out of 21. As Dre get into a good start, Joshua Racing League right behind him. Spongy also looking to get something. As Dre is looking to get a little bit better of a start. Alright, he's pulling away just a little bit. As now we're all kind of spreading out up here. As Jamarcus almost in the wall. Lap 1 is now complete. As Spongy's gonna try and make a move on Dre here. But Zane's there. Zane hasn't won a race. All these top 3 has not won a race. They've been pretty good. Zane almost to the inside of the 43. He's not gonna let it work. He just all Spongy has to do is pass the 3. He peeks out, but it's just not working. I think he should have to wait until the corner to do something. As Maynard goes to the inside of King's A. Almost up there. Just look how fast these cars are going. As now Spongy going to the inside. As Zane's gonna try and push the 3. As now the 43 to the lead with help of his one faster racing teammate. In the 17 of Megan. Now it's a one faster racing 1-2. That one gamer is loving what he's seeing. He's watching this race most likely. He's most likely watching this race right now. As lap 3 out of 24. Recross. Fun fact about the real ASC 500 is this used to be the original length of the race, 24 laps. But I mean, since there's prestige and we got bigger and bigger, we just had to make it longer. So now this is the Division 2 length. As now that you have a breakaway, the 74 of Maynard up there. He's looking to further his position in points. Here's a person we haven't talked about lately at all much. That's Yoru. He is probably one of the multiple-time winners here in the season, in Season 4 of COA. He's also looking to go to the Cup Series next season. Out for which team I do not know, but he's looking to do it. As we got a few cars in the wall there. Oh, we're gonna crash! Who is it? Going all the way back. Oh no, Carol Otta. Oh, PC, hard in the wall. Oh my gosh, that is violent. so glad we don't have injuries in COA, because if that did, that would have been like a 6 race. Not even a 6. Well, yes, that would probably be the whole season he'd not be in that car. I'm being 100% serious. If that happens in Cup, that would be the rest of the season. He would not be in that car for the rest of the season. He bounces off into the catch fence. Hard impact for PC and Carol Auto. First caution of the day. He just... Let's see from a different angle. That angle's not much better, but let's just see from there. Oh. Yeah, he just got into Coaa and then got into Carol Auto, but yeah, that's about it. The game didn't even hesitate to get him out of there. The game didn't even hesitate to get him out of there. He wasn't even finished scooping. Oh my gosh. What an impact. What an impact. As now we're under our first caution of the day. The 43 still leading. Now, no longer One Faster Racing 1-2. Now Maynard's in the mix. Maynard's trying to get his 3rd win. That's insane. As now. As now green flag. We're back racing. Can Spongy defend? Or will as now, almost contact from the 2 One Faster Racing cars. Or Megan, Spongy's teammate, trying to defend real hard, not making it easy. Oh, the car's on the wall. Oh, there goes Sneak into the wall, flipping once again. A barrier impact. Oh my gosh, another one. Zeke was having a pretty good day too. It's just, well, they went 3 wide. I mean, I don't think Juju Chester just misjudged the amount of room he had there, and he just misjudged the room he had there. As he saw him coming on the inside, he slid up to panic. But then that got him Maynard. You got Maynard in the wall, and that got him sideways. He gets up in a Maynard. Yeah, that's definitely going to damage Maynard just a little bit. But the onslaught. Ooh, here comes Spongy. Couldn't Spongy get his first career win? We saw last race in the Cup Series at Memphis, where that boy was just waiting to get his first win. I mean, he's been one of the best people in the season, and so is Spongy. So could they get both their first wins in on almost the same weekend? Well, not the same weekend, but you know what I mean. As we have a few cars taking, a few takers on a pit road. I think some of them are damaged. Yeah, they are. They're all damaged. Let's see where they got that damage from. That boy probably got it. Wait, no. Oh! Oh, wreck, I missed. Oh no, Jamarcus, he was last race winner. Oh no, and into. Oh yeah, Ally Race are supposed to be making a start in the real in the ASC 500 this season. All right, yeah, tomorrow. So that's not good for him. He just doesn't look like a right rear hook. I mean, it just looks like they're just right next to each other, and then when they get caught up, and just bang. Jamarcus gets got a lot of damage there. Imagine how scary that must have been for Jeff Gordon's back there. He started third, and he started second. How do you get all the way back to 20th? Man, that car must not be good at all. Let's see, where was how scary that must have been for Braden. Just having all of that happen right in front of me. All of that happened right in front of me. Bang! Two cars get taken out. Oh no! Pug player with an engine failure. Oh no! That's not going to be good for Pug player at all. And he needed this race. Anyway, we're back. We're coming back green in the Anvil 250. It's coming to the restart zone. One fast racing, 1-2. Green flag is back out. We're back racing the Anvil 250. As man, Spongy's been doing great this season. And here comes Maynard though. He's mad. Well, not mad, but he's fired up. Not necessarily mad, but he's just fired up now. He's not letting anybody get in his way. He's gonna use that draft from the 18. He's gonna use that push from the 18. He's gonna use it good. He's gonna get right in front of the 17. Now he has his sights on the 43. As now it's just single file, so there's not much you can do. As Megan falls all the way back, almost to the wall. Yes, we do not have a caution. As I think Spongy, he's blown away. He's blown away, guys. As Chris Martin's in 28th, that's not that great. Just look at these guys. The outside lane's there is no outside lane. There's only an inside train. But here comes the 74 versus the 43. Can Maynard get his third win of the season and his fourth win overall? We all thought that Maynard would just be able to win a title. Like, oh, we got hit in the wall. Maynard's in the wall. Here comes the 75 with Juju Tester. That 74 goes out, and now the 75 comes in. Oh, top three in the wall. Oh, he crashed once again. The third and second, third and fourth of wreck. They got a car upside down. This is carnage. Oh my gosh. All of them just wrecked. No, I'm being serious. All of them literally just wrecked. Oh no, the top. Most of the top 4 just wrecked. That is insane. That is legitimately insane. Oh, I almost went 4 wide. Satan just got a clear path in the victory. That left the 42 in the wall. Oh, Maynard. Oh, that sucks. Dre did save it. Dre saved it. Our pole was sitter. Dre, he didn't really save it, but I mean, he got the least of the damage. But just look at the maneuvering from the 18. He just the maneuvering by the 18. Let's see what happened. Oh, the 06 and the 6 all get tangled up in there. Just look at the maneuvering by the 18. And he's stuck in that. He's stuck in that almost 5 wide there. He's stuck in almost that 5 wide there, right in the middle too. That's probably one of the worst places to be. Gets into the 54 and the 16. Gets in the wall. And then he just goes in the pit lane. He just dives in. And look at that. Absolutely. Let's look at that power move. That took a lot of courage just to make that move from 28th, right in the eye of the storm. This rookie making this rookie he's confident. He only has a few TCC starts, but he's making it look like he's been here for a long time. But just look at this. This is really the worst of the impacts. As Veliano and the 6 of Let's Go RFK, they all get tangled up in there. Veliano upside down, and yeah, he's just around there. And the 6 just keeps going, but I don't think Veliano can. Yeah, his car is too badly damaged. With Jamarcus and the 88 Battle Racer. As that. What's he doing? As there goes the 75. I think he just kind of given up. He just kind of gave up. He's like, screw it, we're walling this thing. Look at all those cars just now all destroyed. And to think of most of them were going for the lead too. But now this just leaves the 43 with the 60 and the 7. But look at the 66. We mentioned him that he's going to Tough next season. But now here he is in 15th. I mean, it's probably not the best, but he's doing alright. Let's also look at that 32 from 28th to 20th. I mean, not much of a comeback, but remember, this is only his 2nd start in the series. So, that's pretty good. As now, we're about to go green. Green flag. We're back racing for what's possibly the final restart. Can Sand steal one from a 40 Spongy? Spongy does not get a great jump like he used to. And other restarts, as Sand not stepping out. He's just waiting for that right time. Yeah, I think that right time's coming. As here comes a 7. Last season's race winner in this race to Anvil 250 was Declan Bennett. Mick's trying to make a move all the way over there, near where Nacho is, right behind Nacho. Here comes the 7. Oh, we got Coaa on the back. That's gonna be it. That's gonna be it. He's won it. Oh no, Chris Martins! Where did he come from? Oh, he just gets turned by Rich. I think that's gonna seal the deal. Spongy has just won, or may have just won it at Indianapolis. Bang! Ooh, that just corroborated. Well, kind of a caution fest this race, but I mean, it did have some good moments. He just came up into him and just turned him around. Remember, that's only his second start, so that's a pretty big impact for him. That's gonna be that's a lot of damage to the chassis that he's using. Ooh. Oh, Jamarcus. Oh, not another barrier impact. As I think we have 3 target cars in the field. Oh, I think the 18 was just out for everybody. He was just really mad. The 18 of Kyle. I mean, he's one of the OGs of the series. And I think he was just like really, really mad at that point. He just didn't want to be there. I was just right hook. I just left hooking Jamarcus. And then I think the 32 tried to go on the pits, and then he just had enough. Bang. Target car and target car. Homicide. I don't think Chris Martin. I think Chris Martin's is yeah, that's over. So, man, let's get on Spongy for finally coming back as a pace off turn 4. It's official. Spongy. He just has like 600 feet to the checkered flag to officially claim it. As they're led by the pace car. Spongy wins the Anvil 250 at Indianapolis. Therefore, kicking off the season, kicking off the weekend for the ASC 500, his first career win. Great on Spongy. Just for that. Chaotic race we saw here. Look at that. All these drivers top 10. That's your top 10. Keon Omar is 9th, and Moff is 10th. That's good. The top 15th is top 15 is Hollows. Not the top 15. Gav Jordan qualifies this race second and gets 16th. I mean, Megan was really fast. She just got the outside lane, fell off, couldn't get back. That's not gonna be good for her points, but good for her team, or for the team. One Faster Racing first win. Really good. How did you get this first win? What a race it's been. So I'd like to thank you for tuning in to the Indianapolis Seaway Indianapolis race 15 out of 21. The championship hunt starts here. We have no chase or playoff, so it's just full season point standings, and well, we'll see you next race at Coca-Cola Super Speedway. So thank you for tuning in, and we'll see you then. And we'll see you for the Cup race at the ASC 500. Catch you next time.